Aloha everyone, this is our today's project. We already prepped this statue off camera. We applied 2 coats of Slick Stick, which is an adhesion primer, and waited 24 hours for it to cure prior to painting. I started by dumping the brush and apply our base color Mermaid Tail, this stunning teal shade. We applied it all over by dabbing it to create a very soft texture. I was meant to wait for this to dry a little, but I'm just too excited as usual, so I applied peony on the head and it mixed a little with Mermaid Tail in some spots, and we have as well some purple shades. Then I applied some flamingo, which is really pretty in this combination. Once it was dried, and this time I waited about 2 hours for it to dry, I applied the second coat of Mermaid Tail, and I also applied a bit of kudzu, this really lovely green. I applied it on the sleeves, just up and down motions to blend it a little with Mermaid Tail and create a subtle highlight. With the leftover paint I had on the brush, I went over the pink, and I just love this effect and how those colors are showing underneath. I sealed it with 3 layers of flat clear coat and waited 2 hours in between layers. I tried a bit of Cooper Gilding wax to see how it looks on it. Good, really good. Once the clear coat was dried, I applied Gilding wax in abundance with my finger, just all over the places I thought it would look alright. It will look much better if the finish will be satin, so we top coated again with 3 layers of satin clear coat. Then we had to touch up the Cooper because the top coat takes a tiny bit of the shine. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, and if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more colorful tutorials. See you next time. Bye!